We all have certain mental blocks. We cannot think creatively. We might have done a lot of amount of research in our competition and over the above brands as well. We might have taken so much referencing now that we are stuck how to come up with creative ideas. Here's a point of solution that I have for you. If you follow any of these guidelines, it will really help you to come up with creative ideas. First and foremost thing, you need to follow the trend. Don't merely copy what people are doing. Come up with your own creative mindset while following the trend. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is the aesthetic part of it. You cannot change your brand colors every now and then. You need to be stable in terms of the aesthetic part of it. Let the colors resonate with the audience and the audience feel comfortable with the colors that you use. The third thing that you need to keep in mind is minimalistic communication. You cannot be writing essays when it comes to social media. Sometimes yes, every now and then no. You need to come up with punchlines or creative lines that could actually resonate with the users. Let's take an example. Nike. Just do it. That's the simplest form of communication that Nike holds. It's clear, it's precise, it's concise. It's not taking that much time and trying to motivate you up. With minimalistic designs and creative content, you can do a marvelous job. As far as you can create nostalgia in the minds of users, even that can be a great creative asset. If your product or service is actually a utility, it can solve a user's day-to-day problems. That's what you need to post. If you're doing any of these, users will feel more comfortable and resonating with your own brand. Last but not the least, whenever you're coming up with creative ideas, create multiple drafts of it. Let it circulate amongst your team members and get some opinion from them. Observe them. How are they reacting towards it? Do a sample posting in one of your dummy accounts and see how is it looking on a mobile view. If all of these get a gets up, then you can definitely go ahead with the posting. Remember one thing, never copy. Always modify your content. Even if you are doing referencing, don't be a mere copy paster. Think through it, get some referencing done, get some more ideas, and eventually come up with a creative strategy.